Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you another Korean dish, because in my previous video I taught you how to make japchae. So this time I'm going to teach you how to make bibimbap. So it takes a lot of process. It takes an hour or more than an hour for cutting and preparing the veggies, and just 5 minutes to dig in and eat up everything. But this one is really a savory dish because aside from the fresh veggies, it uses beef. So I have two variations. I use diced cut beef, and the other is ground beef or minced beef. So apart from those two variations or cuts of beef, I also had one which used bulgogi, the marinade, and the other one is what they call Yukhoe. So with Yukhoe, they eat the meat raw and then just have it heated up on the earthen pot that they use in Korea. But since I do not prefer eating raw meats, so I decided to still cook it. Anyway, it's the marinade which is important. So by the way, between those two, bulgogi and the Yukhoe, I prefer Yukhoe over bulgogi with bibimbap because it's tastier, and I don't know, maybe I just had a bad cut of meat, but still, maybe if I'm going to have the bulgogi marinade for minced beef rather, maybe it will turn out good also. But for this video, for the meantime, I'd be choosing Yukhoe of minced beef. So maybe I'm going to give you at the end of the video the two sets of ingredients for those two marinades. By the way, you may use pork if you don't like beef, or chicken, you may. And if you don't like any type of meat, you may opt to have your mushroom. Yeah, I guess you may use shiitake or button mushroom for this. So if you love Korean food, especially this one, bibimbap, let's get started. So this is my first bibimbap with minced beef and yukhoe. I just sprinkled powdered pepper. So here's the second time I made it with the diced beef I bought from the market. And now with gochujang sauce and my homemade kimchi. And don't forget to serve it with egg. Mine, I like it runny, and with husband, he likes it over well. So it depends on your preference. Alright, so let's move on to the star of bibimbap, our yukhoe and bulgogi. Okay, so I told you I prefer yukhoe over bulgogi, but it depends on your preference. Okay, so do not forget, the key is marinating. Marinade the beef, whether it's minced or diced or thinly sliced, overnight, and better if it will be for days. Okay, so here's yukhoe and bulgogi. So that's it, my bibimbap with your choice, either yukhoe or bulgogi. Okay, so remember, just marinate it for days. You can keep it inside the fridge for a couple of days. Don't worry. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.